Hello everyone and welcome to Shay's Tech Academy. From today, we are starting our Python course, and we will do this step by step. Each tutorial will cover a new topic every time, so I wish you all tune in. So let's start things off. In our first lesson, we will learn how to take inputs in Python. In this video, we'll explore different ways to accept user input and use it in our Python programs. So let's get started. First, let's look at the simplest method using the input function. With this function, we can prompt the user for input and store it in a variable. Let's see an example. So let's go live by line to see what we're doing here. We declare a variable here called name. The input function is used to prompt the user to enter their name. The message, enter your name, is displayed to the user as a prompt. We let the user enter their name, and it is stored in the variable name. The print function is used to display a welcome message. The message hello is concatenated with the name variable, which contains the user's input, and welcome to the program is added at the end. Now when we run this, the complete welcome message is printed to the console, addressing the user by their entered name. In summary, this code simply asks the user to input their name and then welcomes them to the program using the entered name. Now let's see how we can take multiple inputs. What we will do now is ask user to enter their name and their age. Then we will print out the given name and age on the console. Now let's see how we can take multiple inputs. What we will do now is ask user to enter their name and their age. Then we will print out the given name and age on the console. Let's see how. In this example, the user is prompted to enter their name and age. The name is stored in the name variable directly through input. However, since the age is typically expected as a numeric value int, is used to convert the input to an integer before storing it in the age variable. Finally, a message is printed using the entered name and age. So let's run this now and see the results. Let's now see another example, and this time we'll be taking multiple inputs as a list. Let's first ask the user to enter a bunch of numbers, which are separated by commas, and then we convert the input strings into a list of numbers. In this example, the user is prompted to enter a list of numbers separated by commas. The input is stored in the numbers underscore input variable as a string. Then the split method is used to split the input string into a list of numbers, using commas as the delimiter. Finally, the list of numbers is printed. These examples cover different scenarios of taking inputs in Python, from a single input to multiple inputs and handling them as strings or numeric values. You can modify and build upon these examples to suit your specific needs and explore further. Let's just keep this first lesson very short and end here. The whole point of this very first lesson is for you to just understand how we provide inputs in Python and how we print them. In the next lessons, we'll start talking about variables and data types in Python. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button to keep up with us on all the upcoming tutorials. Let's catch up in the next lesson.